Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn load balancing detector, which is information gathering tool in Linux. LBD or load balancing detector, it detects if a given domain uses DNS or HTTP load balancing. Let's open up terminal and type LBD. Here you can see that basic syntax LBD space domain port HTTPS. Test to see if the target domain is using a load balancer. Type lpd space google.com. LBD tool check load balancing with different methods. Here checking for DNS load balancing is not found. Server is also not found. Now LBD tool is checking for HTTP load balancing via date is not found. Here you can see that checking load balancing via method HTTP is found. Now let's try with another vulnerable website xyz.com, which is anonymous website. Type xyz.com. Here you can see that xyz HTTP load balancing different found xcool 31.239 xcool 31.219. So that's it in this video on load balancing detector in information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.